No, Suzuki is in the MR.
It's between the MR. Oh god, someone just opened all the doors. It's between the MR and the and the what do you call it? In the Black Series. I did races with my friend. He was in the MR.
Now you're getting close tires.
Tires are fine, I don't really care.
Let's just go, I don't care. It's not about the speed.
Wait for me!
Okay, much better.
I actually want to try the GT3.
Oh, you're gonna run it down.
Oh shit!
You should!
I got squished.
Fuck this sector, man.
Are you waiting for any other person?
For fuck's sake. Who the fuck is behind me? Is that the MR? Oh, it is.
Wait, what?
No.
I think it was the biggest send in my life. Oh wow, I got hit.
Me too.
Dank.
Hi, Mr. Suzuki.
When I leave, I can.
Gustav, did you spin? Or oh no, it's just my car, of course. Your car is faster in corners, I swear to God.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Like significantly, like it's not like some sectors I make a small
3,
mistake and you're
2,
gone, basically.
1, go.
So I was right.
Yup, time to get in the M4, bro. This Nurburgring is nice. Like it looks nice, it sounds nice, but it cannot handle for shit.
The Black Series is it's very fast in the straight.
Nicholas, is it you that's behind me?
Yeah, the
or-
GT Black Series.
I am behind you, yes.
Floppy in corners. It dominates every single curb, so like takes it like a king.
Yeah, I see what you meant by the Pista is fucking trash. This one.
It's good.
I realize now, yeah, okay. I should have
What
checked
happened?
this. Yeah, high-speed cornering is not the easiest or most
McLaren's
realistic.
the
in this.
quickest.
Yeah,
I tried to.
I was gonna use that.
Whatever. It's. I see. I was mistaken. This car is. It's really fast in straight, but in high speed corner, it's. I actually have to lift on the.
Wait, I think the 720 is good. I think that radio might screw up.
I think in this the MR GT2 MR is the fastest.
Are you
It
using
must
the
be.
MR?
No, Suzuki is
I mean-
in the MR.
Oh, it's between the MR. Oh god, someone just opened all the doors. It's between the MR and the and the what do you call it? In the Black Series. I did races with my friend. He was in the MR. I was in the Black Series, and we were like pretty even.
I'm just waiting for someone to beat me.
Bruh. Stop being
I'm
cocky,
waiting at
man.
waiting at the pits right now. I couldn't do that no far.
I wanna try the GT3, can I?
The car handled like ass.
Oh yeah. Oh fuck, how do I spin a Black Series? It's like literally impossible.
Oh my fucking god, this fucking trash. Oh,
Ooh, something's hot like that.
And this. I had so much high hopes for this. I mean, it corners well in low speed.
Oh, it's floppy. The Black Series. I'm hopping. Oh shit.
I'm getting used to the GT3, it's too fast, bro.
Can I try GT3?
Or I'm too bad. Yeah,
Can I switch
2090
with the Black
GT3, a lot of grip. Pista, a lot of grip until you hit like 200 kilometers an hour and then no grip.